Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zoho CRM for LinkedIn lead management, full guide step by step clearly. To install Zoho CRM for LinkedIn lead management, begin by logging into your Zoho CRM account. If you do not have an account, create one by visiting the Zoho CRM website. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, look for the marketplace option under the extensions section. Click on Marketplace to access the available integrations. In the Marketplace, type LinkedIn in the search bar to find relevant integrations. Locate the LinkedIn integration for Zoho CRM and click on it to view details. On the integration page, click the Install button to begin the installation process. You may be prompted to enter your LinkedIn credentials to authorize the integration. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Zoho CRM access to your LinkedIn account. Once authorization is complete, configure the integration settings according to your preferences. Decide how you want to sync leads from LinkedIn to Zoho CRM. You can choose to sync all leads or specify particular filters. After setting your preferences, click the Save button to finalize the configuration. Return to your Zoho CRM dashboard to check if the LinkedIn integration is functioning correctly. You can now start importing leads from LinkedIn to Zoho CRM seamlessly. Explore the lead management features within Zoho CRM to optimize your workflow. Test the integration by navigating to your LinkedIn profile and using the sync feature. Monitor the synced leads in your Zoho CRM account to ensure everything is working smoothly. Remember to regularly check for any updates or new features in the integration settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.